Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create children's storybooks with Gemini AI. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can visit gemini.google.com, or you can also open the Gemini app, and then here you can choose Storybook. Okay, and with this tool we can create a storybook that we want. And these are the suggested prompts, but I'm just going to use my own prompt. So this is the storybook that I want to create. I'm going to create a storybook about Swan Lake, and here you can add photos as references if you want, but I'm just going to use this prompt, and then we can click on submit. And then the AI will generate a storybook for us according to our description or our prompt. Okay, it's still loading guys. Okay, and now my storybook is ready. This is how the storybook looks like, and then I'm going to open it. Wait. Okay, and I'm going to get the full screen. Okay, it's so cool guys. And if you want to get the storybook, you can click on this print icon and you will get this storybook on your device. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. Hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.